We, the nurses, doctors, and healthcare professionals of Jackson Health System, have gathered to pitch an exciting new funding idea that involves the Miami Marlins baseball team stepping up to the plate to help save our public hospital. The Miami Marlins, as everyone knows, recently unveiled a new $500 million publicly funded, state-of-the-art stadium that was within view from most of the patient rooms here at Jackson. The new baseball facility with its $250,000 skyboxes, $2.4 million sculpture, and retractable roof stands in stark contrast to Jackson's many old and decaying buildings, along with our financially fragile financial system. The residents of Miami-Dade County stepped up to the plate for the Marlins, giving more than $450 million in taxpayer money to build the new stadium. Now it's time for the Marlins to go to bat for our struggling public hospital. Today we are sending a letter to the 6 current sitting county commissioners who voted in favor of funding the stadium with taxpayer dollars, and to Marlins owner Jeffrey Luria. Those commissioners are Rebecca Sosa, Pepe Diaz, Javier Soto, Dennis Moss, Bruno Barrero, and Audrey Edmondson. We are asking them to help us secure the following innovative funding plan that calls for matching donations made by Jackson's own nurses, doctors, and healthcare professionals. Today, the nurses, doctors, and healthcare workers here at Jackson, on behalf of our patients and our community, are officially asking the Miami Marlins to use their revenues at the new publicly financed stadium to match our dollar for dollar, our $36 million that all of us are donating from our own pockets to save Jackson. We are asking the Marlins and the commissioners to join with us to help save our public jewel. Here at Jackson, lives are saved and miracles are performed each day. This is a wonderful opportunity for the Marlins to support the residents of this community, whose tax dollars help them build their fantastic new stadium. Sports fans of Miami-Dade County have wanted the Marlins to have their own stadium for years, and sure enough, that dream has finally come to fruition with a new state-of-the-art $500 million facility right next door to Jackson. Meanwhile, here we stand, a mere mile away, at a facility that literally saves the lives of the residents of our community, facing a $95 million budget deficit for last year, and now a crazy plan to force furloughs, 10 furlough days on a workforce that is already short-staffed in many areas. Patient care could be put at risk with this furlough plan. We are the caregivers who are concerned about what is going to happen with our patients if these plans are implemented. We need the Miami Marlins, we need our commissioners. This community needs help to save this jewel now. Let's all re-examine our priorities. It's time for our elected officials and the Marlins to demonstrate what we value most in this community. If the $450 million can be spent on a baseball stadium, surely they can find a way to close a $95 million budget deficit at Jackson. We are asking the Marlins to help us toward the goal with a $36 million contribution. Match our contribution, Marlins. Match them. We're there with you. Come on, let's go.